Hello world, any two people can fall in love, but only the ones that grow in love stay loyal and happy together. Falling in love is about passion. Growing in love is about cultivating that passion with real friendship and creating through emotional intimacy, safety, and trust. Focus on prioritizing your friendship together by working successfully through difficulties and challenges, while emotionally supporting each other through shared experiences that creates a deeper bond, understanding, trust, and empathy. By making each other company and laughing together, by making each other feel emotionally safe, being vulnerable, by having more meaningful conversation about what you both want in life, by learning things together that interest both of you. Romantic love is powerful, rewarding, and magical, but romantic love will quickly burn out without fuel of friendship that makes the flame burn stronger and brighter. When you are both growing in love, you are learning who your partner really is deep down, what they really care about, and what makes them feel safe, love, and happy. And that's what makes you want to join hands and go on the adventure of a lifetime together. When you are growing in love, you will know it because you will both get excited sharing everything in your life as best friend together. To experience real love takes real effort and emotional growth. To experience a lasting love, invest in yourself, invest in your partner, invest in what love is instead of what it's not. By Joel Clemons. Onan story said, cherish the day it's on your side. If you choose to see it, your intuition already knew. Everything after is just dub trying to speak. Onana post it caption, give yourself kindness. It's the first love you ever needed. Trust the timing in your life with your whole being. Onana saying from her post, if you are having more bad days than sexy days, maybe it is time to take control and do something about it. You sexy delicious human soul. It's only delusional until it works. Do something today that your future self will thank you for. Just be. Just start to live, no fixing, no proving, no becoming, only breathing into this moment and letting it be enough. Life doesn't ask for perfection. It asks for your presence. Love, Ama. I do agree on Ama post with the saying sometimes life stop us on purpose, not to take something away but to guide us deeper into ourselves, to find answer to questions we may have been silencing for a long time, to face the truth of whether we are truly happy or just used to how things are. I'm going through such a moment right now. It's difficult but also extraordinary. A time of stillness that reveals more than constant motion even could. And please remember that you only have one health. Take care of it with tenderness and awareness. In this dimension, our body is one irreplaceable. A pose is not always an ending. Sometimes it's just the most honest beginning with love, Ama. Simone is in Brazil for JK Estatica Avancada. In Brazil features a booming high-tech and regulated market focused on non-invasive personalized treatment for skin rejuvenation, hair reduction, and body contouring driven by Anvisa-approved products and advanced technologies like laser. Key trends include biostimulators, dermal fillers, and JK hair treatment technology, emphasizing natural result, safety and rapid effective, and often painless procedures.
The advanced technologies and equipment used by Estetica Avancada are like laser hair removal. Use of advanced, often painless equipment such as Sapro Titanium covering all skin types including dark and tan skin. Skin hair procedures utilization of MMP, regenerative PRP and LED therapy for hair restoration, facial harmonization and contouring, profiloplasty and ultra-defined techniques for natural balanced facial profiles. Injectables high demand for Botox and dermal fillers for anti-aging, addressing fine lines and wrinkles, body contouring procedures such as lipo de papada for targeted fat reduction. All cosmetic products and devices must meet strict safety and efficacy standards set by Anvisa, a growing middle class and high consumer awareness regarding anti-aging and skin health makes Brazil one of the largest consumers of aesthetic treatment in Latin America. Increasing demand for natural and organic products along with sustainable and eco-friendly practices in clinical setting. Key players are heavily investing in modernizing their products, lines and services to cater to the increasing demand for high quality and innovative solutions.
Hi folks, this is Simone Susina, back in Brazil once again, and of course I couldn't miss my appointment in Shodakai Studio Ansata. For those who doesn't know me, I'm an actor, but I work also like a model, so my face and my body are a big part of my career. I need to look always in the best way, with healthy skin and well-defined contour, but without exaggeration, without looking artificial. And that's why, of course, I chose Shodakai Studio Ansata. Here I take care of both my face and my body at the highest level with the best technology, technique and precision. Most importantly, persevering in natural results. Shadakat doesn't change who you are, but just put you in the best way in no matter what way. I found Shadakat through recommendation from close friends, people from the same industry, very demanding, who also work with Image, and after my first time here, I understood why Shadakai is an international reference. And now, this is my second time coming back because I have big projects coming up, so I wanted to look at the best version of me and working in beauty, my skin, and my body. There is also something else that makes a huge difference, especially for those coming from outside Brazil. The care is impeccable. They have a service called Shodakai Destination, which is basically a full concierge experience. They help you with everything: hotel, driver, security, nurse, everything you need for comfort and safety. So you can come and do your treatment with total peace of mind from start to finish. I'm not recording this one because I want to do some promotion or commercial, but really because I trust them. And if you're here in Brazil, you have to pass by them 100%. What I can say is just thank you so much, Jodaka Estetica Valsalda, for taking care of me, and I love you.
When Michele go to Belgrade, specifically enjoying his time at Elizabeth, place of taste, elegance, and unforgettable moments. In the heart of Belgrade, within the carefully renovated bistro, the restaurant Elizabeth brings a combination of refined taste, sophisticated interior, and memorable ambience. The location and authentic neighborhood of Sabamala further emphasizes the uniqueness of Elizabeth. Once a commercial and cultural center, Savamala was the center of Belgrade's social life in the 19th and early 20th centuries, full of hotels, cafes, galleries, and warehouses that pulsated with life on the banks of Sava River. Today, this historic part of the city is once again becoming the epicenter of the capital, combining old Belgrade soul with modern rhythm and architecture. Restaurant Elizabeth therefore stand at the crossroad of epochs, connecting the elegance of the past century with the modern luxury, making every visit an experience to remember. Elizabeth's signature bar exclusive cocktails in Elizabeth Carey's stamp of the world-renowned mixology elite, they personally imparted knowledge and philosophy to the team or bartenders and cocktails mastered during a two-month training. The result is a bar that stands side by side with the world's most prestigious addresses. Elizabeth offers 12 signature cocktails, each of which is convinced as a special emotion in a class. In addition to them, the team brings the classic to perfection, and guests can always order a cocktail of their choice, whether it's something they like from the list or a drink they have tried anywhere in the world. A special pride of Elizabeth is Out Bar Lab, a creative workshop in which they produce own liquor, syrup, edible garnishes, and infusion. The most specific among them is the infusion from the sacred Palo Santo tree, from which we make syrup with an authentic smell and a unique character. At Bar Lab, that company each cocktail are also created from personalized seal on the ice to edible chocolate and banana leaf garnishes. Each cocktail has a carefully selected glass unique garnish and a specific type of ice, which this approach, expertise, and readiness of the Elizabeth Bar is positioned at the world level and lays the foundation for the goal they set to enter the prestigious list of top 50 bar in the world. At Elizabeth, they believe that the kitchen is the heart of every restaurant. That is why they have gathered the team of exceptional professionals who, with their vision, experience, and passion, that have laid the foundation of culinary identity. Each of them brings a piece of themselves in our plate, from technique and knowledge to emotions and warmth. Thank you for watching my video today. Comment your reaction below. Don't forget to click the like button, share this video to others, and please subscribe on my channel. Day 31 of the 365 days of 2026.
A message to all: an apology is not a punishment. It's a demonstration of accountability for the hurt caused to another, to take accountability and avoid causing that pain again. We need to understand why it hurt them, why we really did it, and take responsibility for correcting our behaviors by growing in our understanding and then acting out of love, respect, and kindness. If you don't take responsibility for your actions, then you are actually placing the responsibility of the relationship on the other person. You are expecting them to do the work by accepting your behavior and trying to cope with it while focusing on your happiness. You may not be able to change or take back whatever it is that you did, but you can do everything that you can to make amends and learn from your mistakes. Guilt serves as a tool to keep us from doing something hurtful to someone else, but it shouldn't control our lives, because when we are suffering from guilt, then we are not emotionally available to our loved ones. We are withholding the love and joy that we could be sharing with them by being absorbed in our feelings and misery. The lesson for us needs to be that we learn what not to do, how to make it right, and how to be able to show more love now. The only way to have real connection is by creating a foundation of mutual trust and respect. By Joel Clemons.